Went to Dainese last week. I had to return a race suit I bought online. Ended up fitting while I was there. Decided to pick up some carbon 4 long gloves. Ended up picking up a shirt for 10 bucks. Not bad at all. And we got these carbon 4 long gloves. So a couple days before this, I went to Cycle Gear, picked up some Alpinestars SP8s for 100 bucks. Saw these at Dainese for another 100 bucks. The quality's way better in my opinion. So I was like, yeah, I'll pick these up, and I ended up returning the Alpinestars. I should have kept them for this video to compare them, but the only thing with these is that it's still a little tight right here in the pinch of it. It doesn't feel cheap. I mean, hopefully the leather will break in. So for some reason, Dainese has a weird fit to me. I've had one pair of MIG, I think they were MIG V2 gloves. I was a small in those. Those fit me well. And these are gonna be my daily / track day gloves. I have a pair of Alpinestars SMX short cuff gloves. Those fit great. I mean, those are great gloves for $60, $70, except the Velcro doesn't stick anymore. So right off the bat, I mean, I like the color. I didn't want to go all black. I wanted some color to it. But yeah, the quality seems great. On the cheaper end ones of the Alpinestars, the strap here, the little buckle, it's pretty cheap, and it feels like it'll rip just after a couple sessions. There's a little bit, there's like, I don't know, 1/4 of an inch, if that, less than that, 1/8 of play in my pinky, all the way on. My thumb's there, pointer finger's there, middle finger's there. Same thing on the left hand. It's a little tight just right here in this crevice. It's not as tight on in this crevice with my pinky. And I really like the color combo. I like the logo, the white, and the bright red. I'll put my suit on and we'll see how well these fit. Alright. I still have tags on because I'm waiting for the Missile V2. So this is the Missile V1 suit. Let's see how this bodes. I did try the SP8s with this suit and it wasn't bad. I feel like once these break in, putting them on is going to be much easier, but Jesus. Just pulling them over. Getting my thumb mainly. It's mainly like my thumb. It's on there. Right in the center where the suit stops. Smaller strap comes into play. It's just very annoying right there. Hopefully the Missile V2 suit will solve that issue. The colors almost match. Actually, they dead on match. Look at that. I'm gonna use these gloves going to work tomorrow. See how they feel for the daily. And yeah, hopefully they feel great. Take 1000. A little bit of update, final review on that Dainese carbon 4 long gloves. I wore them to work and back today and yesterday. Yesterday wasn't so bad. Today I was getting a little bit more uncomfortable in these gloves, the pinky mainly. I'm not sure why. And then after 20 minutes of riding to work and back, I would get indentations on my hand. You know, in the sides of my palms and then on my pinky. I don't know why my pinky goes numb in these gloves. They don't fit my hand right. I mean, Alpinestars small gloves Alpinestars small gloves fit me pretty well, I would say, especially their short cuff gloves. I've never had a problem with. Dainese, I get weird fits. Right in the middle right here, it's tight and it's pretty painful. I can't pull it back anymore to where the thumb should fit me a bit better. That's kind of a little bit of a pet peeve. And then just the leather here bunches up when I'm riding where my callus goes, making like I can't really grip the bar as much as I would like to, at least for just normal riding. And then the stitch on the thumb is straight instead of curved on the palm side, making it, there's just a bunch of leather right there, loose. I mean, other than that, the gloves are good. They do what they're supposed to. They're nice, but yeah, there's just right in the center. It's tight. It's hurting right now. Just trying to like spread my hands. I would have to like unloosen it or pull on it just a bit to get it loose there. One thing, the perforation is not on the top side. It's on the sides, which I kind of like. For at least wintertime when I ride, I wear summer gloves, unfortunately, because I hate wearing winter gloves because they're so thick. So I'm hoping the airflow won't be as much. But I noticed when I had my hand a certain way, a good amount of air would actually flow through it, which was kind of interesting in the morning. But yeah, I mean, the glove just fits me differently. Alpinestars in a small will always, most of the time they have fit me well. I've had probably 4 pairs of Alpinestars. They've been good. All short cuff though, no gauntlets. And I returned the SP8s for these for quality. But I think fitment on the SP8, I think they're V3s. Those were probably definitely better compared to these. And then just riding, like as of right now, the thumb, there's probably a good 1/4 inch gap there. I can't pull it back anymore because it just strains the middle. Like that, it hurts. I don't know if it'll loosen up. I'm not sure if it will. And then the center of the palm being loose, and then the leather just bunching up. I don't know if it's because there's too much and my palm is just small. I should have brought my SMXs to compare to, but yeah, I don't have this issue with my Alpinestar gloves. Unfortunately for these gloves, I do. I was really hoping to like these gloves since I just like tried them on in the store. I was like, all right, I'll buy them. After 2 days of riding, I've noticed some pet peeves that I'm starting to get irritated about already. I'm not going to return them. Unfortunately, I guess. The second day, I definitely noticed more things that are annoying just right off the bat. And this right in the middle of the center is just irritating. Yeah, it's just already red and painful right there. I mean, cool glove. The fit for Dainese for me is always weird. I don't know why. Hopefully they break in and some things change, but until then it's just center of the fingers and the thumb stitching being straight, and then the center of my palm having a bunch of leather bunched up. So yeah, thanks.